5 games down, 1 game to go. At ito na nga, magtatapos ang ating Saturday broadcast ng ating Delta Cup. Two teams na malapit-lapit sa boundary ng apalit. That's Masantol and Macabebe, our last game for tonight. Ako po ang lingkod, Lion para live na live dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Before we have the matchup, let's run down our scores for the first 5 games. Game 1, Mexico winning 108-56 against Arayat. Second game, Apalit winning over Bacolor 85-78. Third game, Minalin winning over Guagua 80-77. Santo Tomas with a squeaker against Candaba 76-72. And of course, earlier, Lubao winning 84-76. And of course, ito na po ang ating Game 6, Macabebe at Masantol. Ang masasabi ko lang doon sa dalawang teams na ito, both teams are virtually equal as far as rebounding, scoring. Ang nagiging differential lang dyan yung point differential. Macabebe is averaging about 65 points per game. Samantala Masantol is averaging almost 75 points. Magkakatalo lang to down the stretch. Let's see who will give our final game for tonight. Macabebe versus Masantol up next. Okay, we are ready now for the first five for both teams. For Masantol, at point guard we have Uzi. Shooting guard is Francisco. Center slot is Soriano. Small forward is Cruz. Power forward Sunga. Para sa Macabebe, point guard is Duwag. Shooting guard is Tukot. Center is Mundo. Small forward is Dungo. And power forward is Uzi. So again, battle of swamps. Malapit-lapit sila sa mga dun sa Apalit River. Itong dalawang koponan na ito. Koponan ng municipalities of Macabebe and Masantol. Macabebe wearing white and Macabebe wearing red, Masantol wearing in white. Our referee sport tonight, Martin Escalambre. Martin Escalambre, we also have Noel Menchero and of course Danilo Pimentel, our referees for our last game for tonight. Alright, just a moment, inaayos lang po ang ating scoring at kudos sa ating bagong venue announcer dito sa Delta Cup, si Ma'am Molins, Marlene Tibucio, ang buting may asawa ni Ryan Cabalin sa ayun, no? First quarter is underway. Bola po lang ng Masantol. Here's Harold de la Cruz, 3-point shot. Nothing. And the rebound napunta kay Uzi. Here's the drive, bounce in play. Uzi with a steal. There's a counter steal. So, very aggressive ang bawat pupunan. And that time, Uzi, Uzi, fouled by Uzi. Uzi. Pwede yun Free throw is good. First point for Masantol. Excuse me po. Ayan, para sa iyan, Sir Mike Enriquez. Kapag ako'y nababahing, excuse me po. 2-0 is our tally. 9.5 remaining in the first quarter. The lob pass intended, naagawan ng Masantol. Medyo malamya yung pasa doon. 13 on the shot clock. Soriano, pinilit. Binigay sa kanyang kakampi. The shot will not work. And, nako, pakalawang foul na ito kay UC. At sabi ng coach, hindi tayo magpapakasiguro. Palitan muna natin si UC dahil meron na siyang 2 personal fouls. .30 is a count. Masantol now with a 3-point lead. Wala pa pong score dito, Macabebe. Okay, it's gonna be a error. Offensive foul. It's an offensive foul. Ball goes out of bounds. Wala pa pong score dito ang Macabebe. It is a shot clock violation. Basket will not count. Of course, napakasipag ng ating commissioner. Coach Leo Isaac supervising the proceedings. This is our final game for tonight. And we're going to tapos tayo na maga because we have some adjustments in between times. As we see, the very first field goal of Macabebe and turnover there. At si Ducot ang unang naka-score. Actually, yung si Ed Ducot is a pride of Macabebe, Pampanga. Kapampangan yan si Ed Ducot, former player ng Hinebla. Nakapian ni Coach Leo sa in the 1980s. Yung last championship ni Ed Ducot noong 1988. He retired in 1988 after spending 10 years in the PBA. Starting from Gilbis. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Nice pump fake. Drops it up. Here's the pass. Here's the shot. Yes. Nice basket by Dungo. 20-footer. Second field goal now para sa Macabebe. At meron tayong fouls backcourt. Okay, mamaya po mga halftime or before the third quarter, ibibigay ko po sa inyo ang mga schedules ng ating games tomorrow sa Delta Cup. Again, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok niyo sa akin mula umaga hanggang ngayon sa ating Facebook pages na Delta Cup ng Pampanga Information Office and also Sinagdiga Asia. And we still have a lot of elimination games. Every weekend po, Saturday, Sunday, nandito po ako sa Wengxiyang Convention hanggang sa matapos ang torneo na to. Handog sa inyo yan ang ating buting Governor Dennis Delta Pineba at champion coach for life. And Dungo with a home run. I'm sorry, it's the other player. It's a foul. Take a look at that last bit of action in slow-mo. Magandang, ayun, kitang-kita yung foul. Huling-huli. So, dalawa pala ang Dungo dito, no? Dalawa. The Dungo Runners. Number 12 and number 22 respectively. It's gonna be free throws na for the offended party. Ayan po ang Bayung Masantol. Sabihin Bayung bayan. Bayan ng Masantol. Yan yung Bayung sa Kapampangan. At sunset na po. Maya pabengi po kay kayo. At masaplang Bayung Banwa. sa ating mga kapagkabalin dito po. Ako po ang Unicorn Ryan Paro, our nightcap for our broadcast on the Delta Cup this Saturday, and we're gonna do it again, God willing, tomorrow. 7 seconds on the shot clock, 3-point shot. Wow! Sweet shot from the corner. And Masantol will call a timeout. They are down by 6 points with 6:26 remaining in the first quarter. We will gonna have a timeout after this play. Alright, back to live action. Maya pabing po kayo. Dito po tayo sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. At ating mga production team ay gutom na. Mamaya kakain kami sabay-sabay. Siyempre, sabi nga all for one for all, di ba? Direct, yun na nga eh. Tomorrow, we will have the schedules of Delta Cup. Later on at halftime, I will announce our schedules for tomorrow. Our games for tomorrow, brother. De La Cruz with a nice baseline drive. Nakapasok siya, score ng basket. And the lead is 4. Good timeout by Masantol para mapigilan yung onslaught ng MACABEBE. Dungo, inside pass. Difficult drive to the basket. Uy, muntik na pumasok yun. Against the tall threes. Call a fast break for Masantol. Francisco pulls up. That basket will not count because referee Danilo Pimentel pointing an offensive foul on him. Wadding off. Five minutes and 41 remaining in this first quarter. 9-5 MACABEBE up by 4. 16 on the shot. Dungo almost traveled pero hindi pumasok ang Argentina. And a rebound control by the one shirts ng Masantol. Ito na ang fast break. Uzi nakabuslo ng basket. 4-0 1, 9-7 Masantol. Just down by a basket. Excuse me po. 15 on the shot clock. Dungo, there's a pick. Again, that is telegraph. Francisco against Zunga. Reverse, didn't drop. And Zunga nakuha na rebound. Ito na si Dungo. Siya nag-dribble para sa nakapura. Dungo, side step, drops it off to his brother. The turnaround, it does not work. Bola ba pupunta sa Masantol? Ito na si Soriano will challenge. Zunga, nice drop pass. Uzi scores a basket, plus a foul to boot. And that deserves a second look. Wow, nice move there. Look away pass. Perfect execution. In full display. 3-point bonus for Uzi. The machine gun. And he makes it. And good timeout this time for MACABEBE to stop the momentum. 7-0 1 by Masantol. We have a ceasefire. Back to live action right here at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Masantol 10, MACABEBE 9. Almost running on the vocal cords. Napakaganda ng mga laro natin dito. Talagang sulit na sulit ang panonood nyo dito sa Facebook and the two Facebook pages of Delta Cup, Pampanga, PAO, and Sinagliga Asia. And of course, simultaneously Sinagliga Asia na nagkakaroon na po ng quarterfinals sa ating Sinagliga Asia Lakas 40, headed by Commissioner Rodney Santos there at One Arena, Cainta, Rizal. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Eto na si Dungo. Spins, turns, puts it up, puts it out. Rebound, napunta sa nakaputi. Masantol will get back to possession. That leaves Masantol 19 seconds on the shot clock. That means they need to cross the 8-second line 3 seconds. Otherwise, they will be slapped with an 8-second backward violation. Eto na. It is a warning on Dungo. Warning on number 22 Dungo for MACABEBE for delay of the game, for distracting the pad. They need 3 seconds to cross. Yes, they cross the 8-second line. And here's the drive to the basket. Lays it up and in. Harold De La Cruz, or H. De La Cruz, scores. Alam po si Harold yung ano yun eh. Dating PNP responders yun eh. 12-9, Masantol up by 3. 4 minutes remaining in the first quarter. From the corner, here's the baseline, very nice up fake, pasa kay Sunga. Nice play. Talagang magaling mag-anticipate ang bawat pupulan nito mga galaw nila. Alam na nila yung galaw sa isa't isa. Look at that spin move. Nicely done, Francisco, with a pirouette. 14-11 is a count. 3 minutes and 23 remaining in the first quarter. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 6, down to 5. He forces the shot. Oh, somebody's wide open from the corner. Hindi pumasok kanyang tira. Offensive rebound. Dungo. That's gonna be a foul. Yes, kasi nung pagkaangat niya, halos nabagsakan siya ng hamstring. Pero ang tibay itong batang to. Kita mo kahit may bandage, sige, talon ng talon. Foul against Masantol. It's going to be a foul on Francisco. That will be his first personal foul. 2 free throws now by Dungo. Look at the form of Dungo. Very, very well concentrated. Kaya lang kulang sa lakas. Lakas na ng konti, that would be all net. And konting bend pa. He will make the adjustments. And he didn't. However, he will have another chance because there's a lane violation. One more opportunity in the horizon for Dungo to shoot a free throw unguarded. Good release. Still touch short. Kulang lang sa lobo. Yan sinasabi ni Coach Leo, kulang sa lobo. Kung may konting ang lobo, swak na swak yan. Ito na Masantol on the fast break. The running shot by Cortez. Just like the Cold Cat. Uzi Sapal. Great. The smothering rejection by Dungo. And now here's the red shirts in the run. But it was counter steal by De La Cruz. De La Cruz will drive hard. Drops it off to Cortez. Cortez is wide open. And again, magaling kayo po kay Governor Dennis Dentapin. I hope you enjoy this nine-camper broadcast ng ating Delta Cup. Grassroots program sa ating mga kapampangan, ating mga kabalin. 16-11, may babagin po kay kayo. Saan man kayo sa Pampanga, saan man kayo sa mundo. Sunga, clambered, puts it up a top angle. No soak that time. And here's another fast break opportunity on the rise, and that time he completes it with authority. So we have one more opportunity to wise in. Two minutes remaining in the first quarter. 16 Masantol. It's going to be a foul from the rear. It's going to be a foul on Yabot. Retoss now for the White Shirts, but first, this replay. Kita. First free throw is no good. One more free throw now for Cortez. Para sa Bayang Masantol. Bayung Masantol. First free throw is good. Second free throw, no good. Second free throw is good. So it's a split rather. 17-13. It's a 4-point lead for Masantol. 2 minutes remaining exactly sa ating first quarter. Sunga. Nabulabog. Oh, great defensive stance. And that's a turnover for Macabebe. Or rather, Yabut pala yung naka-incur ng turnover. Mariano checks in for Yabut. So, fresh legs, fresh lungs para sa Macabebe. 1:47 remaining sa ating first quarter. 4-point lead for Masantol. 17-13. Bounce pass there. Guevara finds the Kunanan with a top fall-away jumper. 19-13. 6-point lead for Masantol. 14 on the shot clock. The drop pass inside. The spin move. 9 to shoot. Taking the man down the clock. Here it comes. Here's the move. Here's the shot. It's no conversion. Fast break once more. Kunanan is all alone. 21-13. A minute remaining in this first quarter. Again, Kunanan with a heist. Instant offense by Kunanan. Defense and offense na ibibigay niya sa Masantol. And finding the teammates better. Yan ang nangyari kay Kunanan so far. And likewise, Uzi. Uzi spots. Uzi can't score the basket. And it's going to be a foul against Macabebe. It's going to be a foul against Tungo probably. No, it won't. It's number 24 of Macabebe. Take a look at this replay. Okay. Iba signal na referee, iba yung nasa replay, no? Nangyayari yan eh. Nangyayari talaga yan kahit saan liga. Nangyayari yan. Anyway, it's gonna be free throws now for the defended party para sa Masantol. 21-13 is our count. At hindi pumasok ang unang free throw. .4 seconds to go. The second free throw is out. Dua clears the board. Alfonso brings it downtown for the Red Shirts. They're down by 8 points, 13-21. 16 on the shot clock. Inside incursion. Switching on the right side. Tap. 5 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Side step. The layup. Tolentino. One more serving. No. Rebound control by the White Shirts. Last shot time with 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. But there's going to be a foul before that. So, it's going to be 2 free throws once more for Masantol. Penalty na po ang Macabebe kanina pa. Well, about 4-minute mark of this first quarter. The lead is still 8 for Masantol. They can increase it further to 9 if we made this second free throw. Only 9.3 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Yes, sir. 9-point game. 22-13. Alfonso breaks it downtown. Down to 8. Down to 7. Here's the long toss. It doesn't go. 4 seconds. 3.1 seconds remaining before we end this first quarter. Here's inbound. From the corner, 3-point shot. That's out, and that should do it. First quarter is history. Masantol 22, Macabebe 13. Let's take a look at the first quarter highlights after 10 minutes of playing time. Saan ay namayani dito ang Masantol. Let's take a look at this. First quarter highlights. So started with a pirouette move. And another look for Macabebe. Long 3-point shot. And for the other side, yung Masantol naman, their fast break has been a ally for the white shirts. And another fast break finish. Left-handed layup. Those are the highlights of the first quarter. 22-13, Masantol up by 9. Second quarter coming up. This is Delta Cup 2023-24. Umpisa na po tayo ng second quarter action mga kabalen. Maya pabing po kay kayo. Ito po ang Delta Cup. This is game 6 of 6. At halftime, I'll announce to you our schedules for tomorrow. Dito pa rin sa BREN Convention Center. Put back inside the face off for Alfonso. And we're gonna have what? An altercation between the two players. Well, huling laro na to pero nagkakaroon pa rin kiskisan and referee Martin Escalambre puts them in order. So since we have an altercation, let's see that again on that last instant. Ito yung basket. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang direct ha. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Wag mo iputol. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Tingnan natin. Sige. Tuloy mo lang. Ayun. Kita yung elbow. Isa pa direct. Let's the same angle. Let's rewind the same angle. Okay. O, pagkapasok, sige, yan, slow down. Let's slow it down on that. Okay, ito yung basket. Look at the two players right here. Look at the two players. Makikita yun sa camera. There you go. Alright, the referees will decide that there's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul on white shirts for criteria 2 excessive hard contact. So the player will be going to the bench for the 3 minutes because of the excessive elbow. So bawal po yan ha. So kailangan kung magdi-defend ka, huwag ka gagamit ng excessive elbow. At siguraduhin mo lang na tama. No? So 3-minute cool off po para sa player na yan na natawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul. And it will be free throws for the offended party para sa MACABEBE. So, free throws. And of course, the player na nag-apologize sa referee. Sensya na po. Kami niya. Alfonso makes the first of 2 free throws. And it's going to be possession for MACABEBE for 14-second shot clock. Second free throw is no good. The shot clock will be at 14 seconds. Shot clock will be 14. Come on. Oh, there you go. Alfonso has it. Alfonso with a bounce pass. Here's a 3-point shot from the right wing. Nothing. Cortez brings it downtown for the white shirts of Masantol. They're up by 6, 22-16. Kailangan mag-iingat dito Masantol. Huwag sila maggamit ng mga exit elbows. Inside pass. They have some height advantage. Francisco sidestep. Yun, binangga. It's going to be a blocking foul. Good call by referee Martin Escalambre. He's the group chief for tonight. Francisco will take 2 free throws as per instruction by referee Danilo Pimentel. At isa pang referee natin si Noel Menchero. All of these three referees are coming from SBP sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas. First SBP Philippines, head league of referees headed by no less than Levy Valenzuela. Hello, sir. Miss ko na kayo, Sir Levy. First case off. Traveling. 9-11 remaining in the second quarter. Masantol 22. MACABEBE 16. It's a three-point shot. Not quite. But of an offensive rebound. Inside track. De La Cruz. Malakas ang kanyang tira. Dong clears the ball. May sundot si Francisco. And Francisco will be meted with a foul. Alright, substitution. Sabi nating venue announcer na si Ma'am Molins. Marilyn Tiburcio. Mamelin Tiburcio. 8:49 remaining second quarter. And it is an illegal pick. Oh, Talavera. Back-to-back fouls. He just came off the bench. Nako, hindi maganda yan. Kailangan siyang palitan muna, probably. Yes, and Talavera will go to the bench. 2 quick fouls for him. So, medyo hindi nagustuhan ng coaching staff yan. Upo muna si Talavera to cool off his heels. Alright, Masantol now with a 6-point lead, 22-16, 8:44 remaining the second quarter. De La Cruz, bigay sa kanyang kampe kay Cunanan. Swinging the one on the left wing. From the baseline, 3-point shot on its way. A dismal failure, battle for the rebound, Alfonso. Takbo ngayon si Dukot. Dukot can go for the home run, yes sir. The look now, the lead of Masantol is now 4, 22-18. 8:19 in the second quarter. Here's the pass inside. Clobbered in middle. Look at Francisco. Nakagawa ng paraan. 3-point play opportunity. And that deserves a second look, ladies and gentlemen. What a shot by Francisco. Alright, tingnan natin kung paano naibuslo ni Francisco to. Grabe. Mukhang wala na tayong time to for that because Francisco is about to score a 3-point play opportunity. And he does. .8:14 remaining in the first half of action. Dukot is swinging around on the left wing. Here's a bounce pass. Pass break opportunity. Here it comes. Cortez. Pump fakes. The release. Perfect. Nice timing by Cortez. 7:49 left in the second quarter of action. 27-18. 15 seconds on the shot clock. They're swinging around. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alfonso. Bounce pass. Here's Dong. Spots. It does not convert. Battle for the rebound. May foul. May foul. It's going to be a foul against Kulanan. That will be his first personal. 7:34 remaining, 27-18. Both teams had one more time to call in the first half. Inside pass, walang napuntahan. It's a turnover. Bad break there from Macabebe. So ito, pagkakataon ng Masantol na maka-increase pa nilang kanilang lamang. They have a 9-point edge. Their biggest is 11. Here it comes. Here's a crossover. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Heads up play. Time to shoot. Pass to De La Cruz. Right down the baseline. De La Cruz rejected. Great rejection there by Dugo. Here's Dong. Fast break finish. Nope. Nabitin. Fresh 14. That ball is loose. It is a mad scramble. Man, just it's going to be a traveling. Shot clock at 8 seconds now for the red shirts of Macabebe to map out the play. Or is it the 14 seconds? 14 seconds on the shot clock, mga kaibigan. Here it comes. Dong. 10 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Scores 27-18, 6 minutes and 49. Dong extricates, spots, and makes it a 3-point shot. Six minutes and 39, 27-18. It's a 9-point lead. Check that. It is a 6-point lead. 27-21. Francisco, nabulabog, Sunga, pulls up, pump fake, release, not there. Pass break, Dukon has a beeline to the basket, getting away, running amok. And we're going to have a ceasefire for Masantol. They're going to utilize their last time out of the first half. Their lead is down to 4, 27-23. Back to live action. 27-23. 6:19 remaining. $16 remaining in the second quarter. 3-point shot. Uzi sticks it back to the hole. Six minutes remaining in the second quarter. $5:50 remaining in the second quarter. A block shot. Fast break in the works. And they now have a double-digit spread, 21-21. Another rejection. Turnover. Fast break. Three-pointer from the corner. They get the ball back, French-born team. 8 on the shot clock. Shot will not work for the red shirts. Halfway point, second quarter. Francisco with a dish. And it's out of bounds. $4:58 remaining in the second. 31-23. Trouble with the shot clock. Backward violation. Shot clock. Spread out offense for the red shirts. They're trailing by 8. 23-31. Yan po ang MACABEBE. Shot from the outside. Wala. Here's another fast break opportunity. Francisco converts. $4:21 remaining in the second quarter. It's an 8-point lead still. Check that, 10-point lead, 33-23. Francisco got fouled, will take 2 free throws. Wow, turnovers are killing the red shirts so far. Two free throws, Francisco. One more free throw for Francisco. $35-23. Doesn't lead. 4 minutes, second quarter. Ten to shoot. Red shirts on disarray. Can't find the mark. Yan ang naging problema. From the kick out, 3-point shot. There's a foul. That has been the story. $35-23 is our tally. Approaching 3 minutes. Still can't buy a basket. Nahirapan sila. Another easy layup. 3:07 remaining. So far, it has been all Masantol, and we have a timeout. Back to live action po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. So far, Masantol have been dominating this game. Although nakakabalik-balik ang MACABEBE, pero so far, itong second quarter na ito belongs to Masantol. Dong has it with 10 seconds on the shot clock. 8 on the shot clock. Inside, the shot will work. 37-25. 2 minutes and 45 remaining in the first half. So far, it is a 14-point edge. Tingnan natin kung tuloy-tuloy ang Masantol dito o makakabalik dito MACABEBE in the final minutes of the first half of action. They're swinging around from left to right, right to left, all four corners. Here's the shot from off the glass. Wala. Para for the rebound. Great timing there. Here's Konanan. Unable to hit. A big break for the white shirts of Masantol. They get, excuse me, back to possession. With 14 on shot clock. Excuse me po. $14 seconds on the shot clock. 37-25. Here's the inbound. Binigay kay Soriano on the right wing. Ito si Sunga momentarily open. Decides to penetrate. And he's going to be called for traveling. 37-25. Here's Danga. $13 seconds on the shot clock. So 4 remaining. Two minutes remaining. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Jump shot. Nope. Put back inside the paint. Beautiful. 37-27. Francisco at Lopez. Oh. Opportunity arises for MACABEBE to come back. Inside play. Nice up fake. Ball is loose. Oh, they get the big breaks, and now we have an 8-point game. 37-29, a minute and 23 remaining. Here's the drive by Francisco. Got it to go. +1. Na may kasama pang tongue out. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Francisco getting away, running amok. Ball is free throw for Francisco. First shot clock. Here's the steal once again. Here's Yabot on. And it's going to be a foul. Let's take a look at it in slow-mo. And here's the fast break. Look at that flight. Hindi talaga mapipigilan yung ganyan. All you have to do is to foul. Yabot misses the free throw. Yabot. 39-30. A minute and 10 remaining in the second quarter. De La Cruz drives, pulls up, and that would make a shot. If he made that one, it's going to be a Yabot foul for Macabebe. Free throw is good. 40-30. Minute remaining. Second is good. 55 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Alfonso, they're swinging around. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Here's another steal for Masantol. Fast pick opportunity. Taking flight is De La Cruz. He almost made a shot, but it's going to be a foul. (41-30) penalty situation in effect with both squads. That's going to be free throws for the offended party. And Velasco will shoot 2 free throws for the 4.5-meter line. 37.2 seconds on before we end this first half. And I hope you enjoyed us again. My name is Ryan Paro, coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, game 6 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. As promised, I will give you the games for tomorrow sa halftime break natin. Here we go, Masantol on a fast break. Here's Conanan going all the way, Jose. He draws a foul, and Velasco can't believe it. Tobito stop for Conanan. First free throw. One more free throw. 31 seconds. Yabot has it. About 5 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Yabot can convert, battle for the rebound. And the ball will stay with the red shirts. The ball will stay with the red shirts. All right, they're going to use the coach's challenge for Masantol. The ball possession is for Macabebe. Direct, can we have a replay on the last out-of-bounds play? Paki-replay lang natin because we have a coach's challenge. Let's see this. Here's the drive. Here's the shot. Okay, slow it down there. Sige. Mintis. Here's the tap. So, parang pula yan. Okay, can we have a, yung sa, ano naman, yung sa baseline camera natin? Can we have a replay from the baseline camera? Para makita na yung place. A much better angle. Ayan. Here's the vibe. Slow it down. Okay, sige. Tuloy lang, tuloy direct, tuloy. Okay, here's the jump. Okay, okay. It is. I think it's red. I think red. Last touch red, tingin ko. Alright, the referees will decide. After review, challenge successful. It is white ball. So yun, challenge successful. Ball is white. Yun. Tama-tama sinabi ni Ma'am Marilyn. Ma'am Munins, challenge successful. Bola po ng Masantol. 15 seconds to go before we call it first up. And there's gonna be a foul to prolong the agony. Pupunta na tayo sa halftime eh. Here we go. Free throw is no good. Free throw is good. 13.6 seconds. Alfonso brings it up. 10 seconds remaining before we end this first half. 5 seconds, 3-point shot. It goes! It goes! The lead is just 9, and we end this first half on a high note for the Red Shirts. MACABEBE 34, Masantol 43. This is our final half for our broadcast for tonight. So stay with us. I will announce the games for tomorrow. Pagbalik natin sa ating halftime. This is Delta Cup. We'll be right back. Before we start the third quarter, let's show the highlights of this game. Masantol 43, Macabebe 34. Pakita natin direct ang ating mga highlights. Here's the starter step. Nice move there. One-handed hook shot. Drive inside the paint. May foul back. Counted para kay Francisco. But doon naman sa left side, 3-point shot. Hindi. Pinot back niya ni Uzi. And titingnan natin yung 3-point shot na yan. Sa labas. Pumasok. And as we start the third quarter, mamaya papakita natin yung halftime score or halftime stats. But first, as I promised, let me announce now the games for tomorrow para sa Delta Cup, para sa ating mga televiewers na nanonood ngayon sa Facebook Live. First game at 8 o'clock, Candaba versus San Fernando. Second game at 10 o'clock, Apalit versus San Simon. Next game at 12, Porac versus Angeles City. 2 o'clock is going to be Santa Rita versus Mexico. And 4 o'clock, we have Guagua versus Bangka. And at 6, it's going to be Santo Tomas versus Milan. Those are the games for tomorrow sa GUIAO Convention Center. Ryan, para po lamang. Ito na po ang ating final half for our broadcast for today. First game of 2024 dito sa GUIAO Convention Center. Inside incursion, yes. (45-36). Drop pass, Santos. Alfonso drives, batted away. Santos, Sunga, back to Santos, back pass, that's too much. Yun yung tawag na shakti na full direct. pinasa sa kampo. Shot will not work. Inside, Francisco, foul. Second team foul for Masantol. Francisco converts the free throw. (47-36). Three-point shot, palobong tira, wala. And that's going to be a foul. Francisco will take 2 free throws for the White Shirts. The lead is 11, 47-36. Francisco makes the second. Macabebe down by 13, 7:41 in the third. Spin move, Dungo inside. Dungo underneath, he gets it to go. Three-point shot, White quarter court, wala. Fast break in the works. Yes. Taking flight is Yabut. Santos. It is going to be what? Dribbling violation. .647 in the third. There's a foul against Masantol. First free throw is no good. Second free throw is good. The lead is 8 for Masantol. Unti-unti, binababa ng Macabebe lamang. Here's De La Cruz. Hang time move. Sapal! Smothering block. Takbo ngayon ng Macabebe. But they lost it. Counter steal for De La Cruz. The layup is no good. Rebound control once more for Macabebe. Bounce pass. Nicely done, but ayaw pumasok. The running shot. It doesn't work again. May agaw dito si Dungo, but a counter steal by Francisco. Wild and woolly basketball action we're seeing tonight. Take a look at this action. Yan ang tinatawag na boom, banggan special. Ayun, nag-dive pa sa floor. 6 minutes remaining in the third. 49-41. 15 on the shot clock. Starter step. The drive. The dish. And no bucket. Meron tayong loose ball foul. Tatawagan against Masantol. Eight-point lead for Masantol. 3-point shot. Wala. Battle for the rebound. Francisco back dribbles it. Stopped that in his tracks. His teammate is on the verge of conversion, but no sock that time for De La Cruz. It's a failure. Dungo. Shot. Telegraph. Sunga with a steal. De La Cruz all the way. No. Well, both teams starting to miss a lot of shots. The hand up to Mundo. Mundo pump fakes. The release is perfect. 49-43. We have a timeout. Masantol's lead is now 6. 5 minutes. Third quarter. Back to live action. 49-43 is our count. Masantol still up by 6. 5 minutes ating third quarter. Ito na po ang ating nightcap ng ating 6 game coverage ng Delta Cup. Meron pa po tayo bukas. Methodical offense right now for the white shirts. Here's Uzi. The glass shot didn't work. Rebound. Nakuha na Macabebe. The lead is thus down to 6. There's no trouble. Scoring the basket. Look at the crowd of Macabebe now up on stands. (49-45). There's going to be a foul. It's going to be 2 free throws for the offended party. It's the foul number 22. De La Cruz makes the first of 2 free throws. De La Cruz makes both. 4:25 remaining, starting third quarter. Sunga on the right wing. Dead to shoot. Spins. Dongo with a glass shot. Didn't work. Rebound control for the white shirts. The ladies chance 6. Alley-oop play. Didn't materials. (51-45). Hop. Wala. Bago yung free throw. May sub tayo. First free throw is no good for Francisco. Second free throw is good. (52-45). Approaching the 4-minute mark sa ating third quarter. Tingnan natin kung ang Macabebe makakabalik dito. They are on the 7-point deficit. Back pick there. Talavera. Oh, the spin move. Lost it. Uzi steals it. Francisco going all the way. Hang time move by Francisco. Binit-bit. May foul. Let's see that again. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Malaberhel Meneses. Look at that. Mala aerial boy yung galaw niya ni Francisco. Trophy to stop for Francisco. Pasok. The lead is 8. 53-45. Wala yung pangalawa. Future score is 53-45. And the ball goes out of bounds. Soriano, we pointed down for the white shirts. So Masantol, the lead is 8. This lead is not here. We still have it turned into a basketball ahead of us. We're still in the third quarter. Baseline drive, Francisco. Inside to Uzi. Shot will not work. Rebound control for the red shirts. He almost traveled. Inside to Talavera. Hot potato basketball here. The drop. Sunga hang time move. Beautiful. Three minutes remaining in this third. Soriano. Batted away. Francisco keeps it alive. Baseline drive. Double team. Francisco can't maneuver. 3. Hits the deck hard. Hits the deck hard. And Francisco is down on the floor hard. Oh. Let's see that again in slow-mo. What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, wow. Ramp to the mahogany. So he will be rested for a few minutes, but I'm so concerned of his look. At talagang yung pagkabagsak niya, talagang una-ulo. 2 minutes and 35 in the third quarter, 53-47. Thought about the three. He decides to drive. Kick out. 12 to shoot. On the outside, Alfonso is wide open. The set shot will not work. They get a rebound. Ball stripped. Still the red shirt. That's it. Excuse me. Alfonso. Inside incursion. The shot will not work. In and out. He gets it right back. Take it away. And now we are approaching the 2-minute mark of the third quarter. 55-47. Shot clock is now a problem. 8 seconds. Baseline drive. The runner. It does not work. Hang time. No. Here's the inbound. What about chance of Macabebe? Top of the GUIAO area. Here's a spin move. Turns. The glass shot didn't work. Put back inside that big short. Gets it right back for the third serving. Still no soak. Fourth effort with 10 on the shot clock. Ball batted away. And now fast break for the white shirts. Here it comes. The hang time. Boom! Highlight. De La Cruz. Alfonso. Shot rejected, but there's going to be a foul. 2 free throws. That deserves a second look. That yo-yo shot. Wow. It's really a masterful shot. Let's see that again. Medyo mag-atas ka na ng konti, direct. Tapos na pala. Okay, tingnan natin kung may replay pa. Mukhang hindi na. Mag-free throw na si Alfonso. First free throw for Alfonso. Okay, one more time around the block. Here's the shot. Here's the play. Ayon, steal, fast break on the other side. Hang time move. Grabe yun. Back to live action, 57-49. The no-look pass inside. Thought about a three. Almost intercepted. But the shot clock will be at 10 seconds with only 57.9 seconds in the third quarter. Inbound for the white shirts. 8 seconds shot clock now. 55 seconds in the game clock. Down to 5, down to 4. The white shirts. Oh, bailout foul. And that will be penalty situation to free throws there. Okay, with 49.8 seconds to go, we're going to have a timeout. We'll be right back. Alright, back to live action tayo. First free throw is good for Cortez. That's a quick timeout. Second free throw is not good. Final 48 seconds to go in the third quarter. Ito na ang Macabebe. It's an 11-point edge. Alfonso, yun ang kanyang hinahabol. It's going to be a foul against the white shirts. A foul on Cortez. Alfonso misses the free throw. Alfonso splits 58-50. The lead is 8. 37.5 seconds remaining. Ito na ang puti ang Masantol. Will slow down the tempo. Looking for cutters. Walang mapasan. It's going to be a foul. It's going to be 2 shots once more for the white shirts. Okay. Cortez misses the first free throw. The lead is 8. 27.8 seconds. Second is good, 59-50. 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Tingnan natin kung makakabuslo ng opensa dito, Macabebe. Alfonso now, manning the point. 13 seconds to shoot. Balik kay Alfonso on the left side. Umatake si Alfonso. He draws a foul. Free throws time now for Macabebe. We're time down to 14.3 seconds. Alfonso can sink the free throw. All teams in penalty as early as the 3-minute mark for this last ball game 6 of 6 ating Delta Cup. I already set the schedule and I already saw the results. So kung gusto niyo po makita the results, so you can re-watch this broadcast. 10 seconds remaining sa third quarter. Oh, the ball will go to the red shirts of Macabebe. 6.9 seconds. Here's the inbound. Down to 5 seconds. Pass is telegraphed. 3 seconds to go. They need to put it up. 2 seconds. 1 second. Kunanan. He runs out of time. And that ends the third quarter with a 9-point lead for Masantol, 59-50. Not without our highlights for the third quarter. It has been a helter-skelter basketball scene. Here's some of the highlights. Fast break run. It's a finish. Yamut. Also on the fast break finish. And on the other side, Dipsy Do. Wow. Alabel Jimenez is that move. Third quarter ends 59-51. Masantol up by 8. Okay, we're down to the last 10 minutes of our broadcast. Starting of fourth quarter action. Masantol 59, Macabebe 51. This is Delta Cup. My name is Ram Paro, coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Spread out offense. Francisco. Sidestep move. Beautiful. 61-51. Alfonso. Kick out. Corner 3. If it bites, nothing. They get the ball back. They have a lot of offensive rebounds. The problem is they can't sink those baskets. Not this time around. They got a tip in from Dungo. 61-53. We're down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shot will not work. Rebound control for the red shirts. 8-point deficit for Macabebe. Straight to the faces. The drop from the corner. Can't make it. Yung mga sign ng pagkakataon. (61-53). It's going to be a foul on Alfonso. So let's see how many fouls Alfonso has. That's going to be his fourth personal foul. Oh, so he's one more. He will be in the showers. 8 minutes and 39 remaining. 61-53. Right quarter court 3-point shot, not there. The lead is not saved. It's still an 8-point edge. 15 seconds on the shot clock. There's a switch. 3 ball. It's good. Sunga chops down the lead to 5. Bounce pass. Francisco double team. Here's to the Cruz, the lob. Drop pass. That's too much. It's going to be a foul, rather. Second shot clock now. Francisco. Baseline. Kick out. De La Cruz. Oh, that's a hard fall on the mahogany again. Second time around. Oh, that is lethal. And now the Pampanga rescue are checking on this guy. After that traveling call, it's a hard fall. With 7:50 remaining in the quarter, 61-56. Tinding bagsak nun, coach. Tingnan natin yun. Yung nangyari. So, traveling si Sunga. Oh! Naku, unang paa! Oh! Sumabit! Oh, wow. Let's see that again. Let's see that again for our commissioner to see. Here's Sunga. Up break. He travels. Off the foot. Off balance. Boom! That's really a tough as nails, that particular fall. Siguro si Sunga natatakot ma-stretch eh. Kaya ayaw niya. Matapang talaga itong batang to. The lead is prime now, 61-56. The shot will not work. 61-56, 7:25 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Dang will drive. Dang lays it up. And the lead is down to 3. 61-58. 7:14 in the fourth and final quarter. Three-point shot. And the momentum is really swinging on the red shirts of MACABEBE. It's just a one-possession game. Here's the fake. Block shot. Pass back now for the white. Can they execute it? Yes, it does. Plus a foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Free throw is no good. 63-58. The lead is 5. Hang time move. Wow! Tenacity by Dang that time. Creativity, dexterity. That deserves a second look, Direk. Sensational. There's a forthcoming free throw right now for a 3-point play opportunity. He didn't get it. The lead is just 3 points, 63-60. Here's the foul. And he will take 2 shots. Tignan natin yung replay doon sa 3-point play kanina. Ang ganda naman ng tira na yun. Here's the shot. A highlight. So we have one player now on 5 fouls. Free throw is not good. The lead is 4, 64-60. 6:17 remaining in this ball game. Here's the drive. Nope. Put back. Yes. The lead is just 2. Layup. No. Chance now for MACABEBE to tie. And 5 minutes and 53 remaining in the sport. Here's the drive. Layup is too strong. Rebound control for Masantol. And they're going to give up a foul. Our important play right now for the White Shirts. This is a solid timing possession, 64-62. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 40. We're now halfway point. This game will end in exactly, what? 7:30. 3-point shot on its way. He gets it right back. And he gets it done. 4-point cushion. Big basket there by De La Cruz. We have a timeout now by MACABEBE. We'll be right back. Back to live action, 66-62, 5 minutes and 25 remaining. We're now on the conclusion of this game. It's not settled yet. It is a 4-point lead for Masantol, 66-62 against MACABEBE. Game 6 of 6 of our Delta Cup. My name is Juan Barro, coming to you from the BREN Convention Center. Here we go. MACABEBE just a 4-point deficit. They clawed back. The spin. Kick out. 3-point shot. It does not work. We have a foul. Inbound. 5 minutes remaining. 3-point shot. Short. Rebound control. And the ball still stay with the white shirt, Sunga de la Cruz. They're complaining on that one. Marking matchup. Inside, it's a foul counted. What an escape act by Dungo. The lead is just down to 2. Slow-mo replay shows. Nice cut. With Dila, tang out. Dungo bonus free throw. It is a lane violation. All right, we have a timeout by Masantol. Join us in a 4-minute and 56 mark of this ball game. Back to live action, 66-64, 4 minutes and 56 remaining in this ball game. And hope you join us. We're down to the conclusion of this game. Timeouts remaining. Masantol have 1 timeout remaining. Macabebe has 2. It has been a very, very physical battle in the second half. Intense moment. Closely fought encounter in this game 6 of 6. That means 4 of the 6 games today are tantalizingly close. Decided on the last second. 8 on the shot clock. Right down the baseline. The layup is good. Back to a 4-point cushion. De La Cruz scores. 68-64. It's a 1-point lead for Masantol. Nice pass. Great rejection. White Jets has it. 4:21 remaining. Here's Francisco. Galloping down court. The drop pass inside. Uzi scored the basket. Just like that. The lead is back to 6. 4-point cluster. Sidestep move. The layup. Dong was fouled. And also a technical foul for De La Cruz for unsportsmanlike behavior. So that's 2 fouls on him. The referee is now calling it tight. We don't want any untoward incident happen here in this game. (70-65). (70-66). Three free throws made, 70-67. 4 minutes remaining. De La Cruz. Zip pass inside. The shot by Kunana, no. And now Macabebe trying so desperately hard to come back in this game. 3-point shot. It works! Deadlock at 70, ladies and gentlemen. What a bogey we're seeing here. 3:39. De La Cruz galloping down court, drives hard. Hold it, hold it. There's a foul before that. Let's see that again in slow-mo. This last foul. It's foul down, says referee Martinez Calambre. First free throw is good. 71-70. 72-70. 3:35 remaining in this ball game. This is a very, very important encounter. A pick. There's a drive. Hang time move didn't drop. Two offensive stick back. And we are tied again at 72. It has been the ball game like this. And what a fitting ending of the 6-game broadcast with another close encounter like that. 3:13 remaining. This is only the fifth deadlock of this ball game. Here's the drive and draw play. Uzi was rejected but there's going to be a foul. There's going to be a foul on Dongo. Dongo can't believe it. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Here's the drive. Here's the drop. And yes, there's contact upstairs. Good call by referee. Danilo Pimentel. And a missed shot there by Uzi. Remember, we are tied at 72. Short. Chance now for Macabebe to grab the lead again. They have done this 7 times this game. Let's see for the 8 if they can hold on to it. 3 minutes remaining in this ball game. 10 on the shot clock. Bad pass. Fast break. De La Cruz busting out. Lays it up. Lays it in. 74-72. Masantol up by 2. 2:39 remaining in this ball game. Crucial turnover there. 10 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. The layup was blocked. And here comes Masantol on a fast break. De La Cruz will drive. Here's the drop by Ado. De La Cruz scored a basket. 4-point cluster. And Macabebe will sue for time. Both teams had only one timeout remaining. 2:22 remaining, 76-72. We shall return. Okay. Kabayan fans, buckle your seat belts, fasten your seat belts, and enjoy this ride to the final 2 minutes and 22 remaining on this game. Can Masantol escape, or will Macabebe will pull up a big upset of colossal proportion? Let's find out. Duag, 10 to shoot. Mundo drives. Mundo against Francisco. Score. Lays it up. Using left. And a turnover. Almost a turnover. Last 2 minutes of this ball game. Francisco will inbound. There you go. Yes, Ma'am Molins. Last 2 minutes. And the ball goes back to Macabebe. Crucial possession for Macabebe. They're down by 2, 76-74. A minute and 55 remaining in this carjack ball game yet again. Mundo on the outside. They swing it around to Dung. Dang now to Mundo on the right wing. 9 on to shoot. Mundo looks at the clock. Mundo drives. Mundo puts it up a top angle. Tie game again at 76. A minute and 33. De La Cruz picks it up. De La Cruz stumble up behind. It's going to be a foul penalty situation. So, crucial free throws now. One more free throw for white shirts. Second free throw is good. 1 point game, 77-76. Minute and 25. Here's the drive. Hang time move, short. Sunga misses that one. So far, Mundo playing a superb game for Macabebe. For Masantol, and that's been Francisco. Has been the catalyst all throughout the game. Orlando De La Cruz. Another layup. Another layup. Scored. .57 seconds. 3-point game. Baseline drive. Dongo scores once more. Plus a foul. That's Mundo rather. Mundo scoring the basket. You know, I'm running out of vocal cords for this brilliant ball game. This game can tied again. Can be tied again. 3-point play now for Mundo. No. Francisco brings it up. Will challenge Mundo. Francisco throws it away. 45 seconds. Save it to the wrong party. Here's the shot. Block. Rebound. Scramble upon. They're gonna replay. Direct. Let's see the last bit of action in slow-mo, so that our referees can decide. Okay, let's slow it down on this angle. Okay, here's the rebound play. And all right. So, is it clear? Okay. Let's have the baseline angle natin. Direct isa pang replay, baseline angle naman. Yan, baseline. Here we go. Here's the drive, here's the block shot. And from the possession, mukhang nakaputi. Puti, pula. Hard to decide. Isa pa. One more time, Direct. One more time. Let's have one more time, please. Okay, let's slow it down there, Direct. Let's slow it down para makita nila. Slow it down on this. Okay, ganyan lang ang speed. I think yung pula yata naka-last touch. Okay, one more time. Isa pa. Isa pang review. Isa pa. Okay. Here's the block shot. Okay. All right. Yes, last touch puti. Okay, go ahead, please. Referee will decide right now who will be the possession. After the review, it's red ball. So, there's still a chance. There's still a chance. for Red to win. 36 seconds. 36 seconds in this ball game. The game is not yet over. The white Masantol will pressure as much as possible. Here we go. Crucial possession now for Macabebe. They're down by 1. Here's Ducot. Inside. Man scramble. Ducot on the outside. He's wide open. 3-point shot. Air ball. 18 seconds. And they got a steal. Not quite. Not quite. 13 seconds. And they're gonna foul. Oh, intense moments. Intense moments on this. Intense moments on this. This is just a 1-point game. Francisco will take 2 shots. Should Francisco make the second free throw, Macabebe will call their last timeout. He missed the first. Should they miss, Macabebe needs to rebound and bring up the ball up court and go for the win. Francisco makes it. Timeout, Macabebe. And we're going to hang on to the air. They're going to inbound on the half court. So it is a 2-point game. So there are 2 things that Macabebe can do. First, they can go straight away for the 2 points and tie. Or they can make a 3 for the win, which is very, very risky. So, decision nila yan ng Macabebe. But for sure, they're going to inbound on the front court to allow some time to manufacture a play in 9.9 seconds. Both teams in penalty. No more timeouts for Macabebe. Masantol has 1 more timeout to call. That's our game reset. 80 Masantol. Macabebe 78. 9.9 seconds. Okay, they get inbound on the front court. Crucial inbound. 80-78. Let's enjoy this last 9.9 seconds of Game 6 of 6. First playing day of Delta Cup. Inbound. Mundo will inbound. The lob. Here's the drive. Mundo scores! From Duo to Mundo. And we are tied at 80. It just took 3 seconds to execute a play like that. So, Masantol can go for the win. 6 seconds. Ample time. Tabla panalo. Of course, they get inbound on the front court. So, this is as good as the first game that I covered last November 5, 2023. Yung Lubao and Porac. Kasing ganda din ito. Last game pa na ating games. Kako-konti yung tao pero they enjoy it so much. I hope our viewers on Facebook Live in the PIO Facebook page and Sinag Liga all enjoying in this last game with 6 seconds tied at 80. Both teams had no more timeouts. Both teams in penalty. Tabla panalo. Sabi ni Coach Leo Saak, yung ating commissioner, tabla panalo for Masantol. Masantol can go for the win on the 6 seconds. 6 precious seconds. Here we go. Here's the inbound. Francisco has it. 5 seconds. Francisco drives. Goes for it. Pulls up the shot. 1 second to go. He throws it up. And 40 minutes is not enough. We're going into overtime. 5-minute extension is needed. Ang ating production team ay pagod na. Hinga muna kami ng malalim, ha? Tied at 80. We will go to overtime. This is Delta Cup at its best. Welcome back po mga kaibigan. 40 minutes is not enough. We're about to unravel extension. This is our second overtime dito sa Delta Cup. And 5 minutes is needed to settle the outcome between Masantol and Macabebe. They are deadlocked at 80. Hello mga kabalen. Maya pabenging po kayo. Para po kami to you live for the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Marquee matchup. Dukot will drive. Dukot, block. There's going to be a foul on De La Cruz. It's a hacking foul. First free throw for Dukot is no good. One more free throw for him. Miss. So they're still tied at 80. Uzi. Here's the fast break opportunity. Hang time move by Francisco. He draws a foul. And a technical foul for taunting will be called against Macabebe. So Francisco will take a technical free. So 5 fouls now. So the leading scorer, Mundo, bows out of the game with 5 personal fouls. He has 4 fouls already, but because of the technical foul will be considered personal foul. Technical foul Mundo for taunting. So another play for Macabebe will check in as De La Cruz will take a technical free throw. It's no good. That has been the problem. Pagod naman ang free throws have been a big factor here, creeping in for both teams. And Francisco missing free throws. No team have scored yet in this extension. This is one of the hardest overtimes that I've covered because of the very intense moment for both squads. And second free throw bounces out. The rebound controlled by the white shirts. De La Cruz will fire a 3-pointer. He got it. Big basket. (83-80). Macabebe. Dukot. Swinging around. 10 to shoot. In overtime, time flies so fast. Here's the 3 ball. Swift retaliation. Tied again at 83. Francisco will drive. Francisco sidestep. Batted away. There's going to be a foul. Francisco will take 2 shots. Tied at 83 apiece. Short for Francisco. So after 4 misses from free throw, they finally made 1. And it's a 1-point lead for Masantol, 84-83. From the corner, 3-point shot. Air ball. Last touch by the red shirts. And it will go back to Masantol. De La Cruz will bring it downtown for the white shirts. A solitary point. Francisco drives. Gets away. And should Masantol wins, he will be judged the best player. One of the top players for Macabebe, Mundo, is already fouled out. Dukot from the base. Dukot misses. Put back, no sock. Rebound. De La Cruz. One of the white shirts of Baca or Masantol. De La Cruz on the left wing. 14 seconds on the shot clock. De La Cruz makes his move. Here's the drive. from the corner. Baseline drive. Back to Francisco. 5 to shoot. E. De La Cruz or H. De La Cruz for 3. That's way off to the right. Francisco saves it to the wrong party. Macabebe now on a fast break. Here it comes. Throws away almost an errant pass. Dang almost traveled. 15 to shoot. The lob alley play to perfection. And Francisco, because of the extended minutes, he is hurt his knee. Probably a case of cramps because of his extended minutes. So the two top players that I chose, Mundo's fouled out. Francisco is injured because of cramps. (86-85). 2 minutes and 46 remaining. We're now on the halfway point of this overtime period. So intense. But only one team will win in this game. As De La Cruz brings it downtown. De La Cruz attacks the lane, drives hard, batted away, lost it. And now Macabebe has a chance to grab the lead back. 2.5 minutes remaining. Here's the drive, the drop. Almost a turnover. Duwag spot, short, rebound, tip it. It gets it to go! And Macabebe now up by 1. 2 minutes and 16. And Uzi comes up with a heist and a finish. Excuse me po. We are down to the last 2 minutes of this beautiful basketball game that we're watching. Tukot, spins, turns, rims out. 1 point Masantol lead. Minute and 45, De La Cruz. Almost taken away. Sunga. 13th on the shot clock. De La Cruz drives from the kick out. Here's the drive. Bounce pass. Inside pump fake. And it's going to be a foul. Colana now will try to increase the lead of that solitary point to 3. He misses. A lot of free throws missed for the White Shirts. It might haunt them should they lose. Miss both. That's big. 1 point lead. Minute and 25. Macabebe now has a chance to grab the driver's seat outright. Duwag. 10 to shoot. Here's the penetration. Puts it up. Puts it in! Oh, nice shot there by Duwag. The lead is back to 1, 89-88. A minute and 7 remaining in this ball game. Extension. De La Cruz forced up the issue. No go. Rebound. Macabebe. 57 ticks. Ducor pump fakes on the outside. Thought about a 3. Duwag jumper. It's no good. Rebound. Sunga. Another fast break opportunity for the White Shirts. Here's the layup by Uzi. Partially deflected. 40 seconds to go. I need to stand. What a ball game we're seeing here. What a ball game. 33 seconds to go. 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Let's see what Macabebe does. Duwag double team. On the outside, almost lost it. 4 seconds on the shot clock. They need to put it up. Long 3. It is a shot clock violation. It is a shot clock violation, and Macabebe will call Masantol will call a timeout with 14.7. Unfortunately, in this particular period, only one team will win. 1 point game for Macabebe. Masantol needs to have a clean inbound on the half court. It leaves 0.7 of a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Very important. Look at the crowd here. Look at some fans And thank you for our 1,000 plus Facebook viewers watching on this very intense ball game. And yours truly, Ryan Paolo, had the privilege and honor to deliver to you right to your homes, right to our Cabalens, and right to our Kapampangans worldwide. Here in Pampanga Information Office Facebook page and Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page. Look at them. They're so happy. And they are now on camera. Yes. 14.7. Now the question, they're going to inbound on the half court. So that means it is a 14-second shot clock. 7/10 of a second differential. Macabebe needs a stop. Masantol needs a basket for the win. So, enjoy this 14 seconds. Here we go. Inbound. De La Cruz has it. 12 seconds. 10. 9. De La Cruz drives on the outside. Here's the drive. Dish up inside. Back to Uzi. Inside to Francisco. Francisco 3 seconds to go. He's tight underneath. Pulls it up. No. 1 second to go. Game is over. Game is over. Macabebe upset the highly touted Masantol in overtime. 89-88. And despite the fact that Mundo fouls out, his contribution is enough to win. And we'll be right back to wrap this baby up. 89-88 is our final score. Sound check. Mic test, sound check. Sound check, mic test, sound check. Final score natin, 89-88. Isang makapigil hiningang laban in overtime. Our best player, Kyle Mundo, nagdala ka, you hit those marginal baskets. Tanong ko lang sa iyo, kahit na fallout ka, bakit tingin mong kayang-kaya ng Macabebe na maungusan ang Masantol?
Kasi po kami, lagi po kami nagtitraining. Alam po namin sila, wala po silang practice. Kaya
isa pang tanong dyan, do you think itong mga laban ito, yung mga katulad ng mga GUIAO, yung mga top tier teams, kayang-kaya nyo?
For sure, kayang-kaya naman po siguro. Practice lang po kami.
With that, Kyla, dahil ikaw ang ating best player, you have tenacity but iron. You will now greet your friends, relatives, and the camera, go ahead.
Shoutout po sa girlfriend ko, Presidente po siya. Shoutout sa iyo, magpagaling ka. Kay Mick Jero, tsaka yung sa Joanna, shoutout. Tsaka sa mga Bebe Warriors, RA. May Boss Brandel, sana nagtiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa sumulpo sa mga Bebe Warriors. You know.
Alright, guys, congratulations. You deserve it. And look at this. That wraps up our Delta Cup. Una pa lamang to sa 2024. This is just the beginning. We have more games. 4 out of the 6 decided in less than 5 points or less. In behalf of our team of DND Media, and of course, in behalf of Commissioner Coach Leo Isaac, this is why I'm proud of saying sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the presentation of Delta Cup powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Mula dito sa GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga, Philippines. Nakalsalamat kay kayo. To God be the glory.